like to take a brief moment to ask both of you for your key takeaways or your final thoughts. Cynthia, perhaps you want to lead us off with a few of your key takeaways from today.
Really, the key takeaways are, there are many courts' interpretations of Halliburton 2. We're still seeing, courts that say you don't have to show direct price impact. We're still seeing courts that say, the indirect indicia are enough. So it's really interesting to watch because there is, a lot of diversity among the decisions out there. And, one of the cases that we're keeping our eye on is the Allstate case now, which has, Allstate has recently petitioned that they be able to show a lack of price impact and defeat class certification. So we'll see what happens there. And I think it makes for a very rigorous economic analysis, forum, class certification. So that's what we're keeping our eye on.
Thank you so much. Shauna, some key takeaways from yourself as well, please.
Sure. So I certainly agree with Cynthia. I think in the wake of the Halliburton 2 ruling, there's a bunch of diversity among court opinions, which has led to, I think, pretty interesting fertile ground for more robust and detailed economic analysis at the class certification stage. I think it's more of an opportunity for both sides to really start wrestling with and engaging with issues that are going to be of importance down the road at the merit stage of the litigation. And I think essentially there's no one size fits all answer when it comes to fraud on the market or price impact. I think that's my key takeaway is there's nuance, there's idiosyncrasy, and you really have to sort of wrestle with and handle the unique nature of the allegations in the case, how the court has ruled on motion to dismiss, what types of evidence, what types of economic evidence you're seeing, and sort of taking all that into account in formulating legal strategy, I think is going to be extremely important.